Hi Celine, I want to feed give food to the bird, the PUYUH, our PUYUH. So I'm trying to give this whole grain rice. So I already tried at noon, and the bird eat it. So now I'm gonna give to the bird. So now this evening I don't need to search worms for the bird. So I'm gonna give this rice to the bird, Celine. Luckily the bird eat this rice also, so I can save time searching worm. But I think worm is the food that this bird really like. But never mind, birds, this time you're gonna eat rice, okay? See? Hungry, Celine? Hungry bird. This is our bird. Its name is PUYUH. See? Like chicken, Celine? You eat quite fast, Celine. Okay.